I'll guide you through how to play Roblox online without downloading the app, without triggering the required desktop installation file, or running into strict firewall restrictions. If you're looking to play the game on a school or work computer that blocks installations, or you want to avoid the hassle and clutter of downloading the client, and so you need to find a legitimate way to run Roblox instantly, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The most reliable way to play Roblox without a local install involves using two legitimate workarounds. We need to be clear, the native PC experience always requires a tiny download, but these two methods get you into the game regardless. The first method is the absolute best way to play Roblox without a download: cloud gaming services. This is the only method that gives you the full PC experience. It runs the game on a powerful external server and streams the video feed directly to your browser tab. Your computer is only handling the video, not the game engine. Here's how to get in. Choose your cloud platform. Services like Boosteroid or NVIDIA GeForce Now are ideal for this. These are remote desktop services that host the game on a powerful machine in their data center. They simply stream the visual and audio output to your web browser while taking your keyboard and mouse inputs, essentially turning your low-power device into a gaming rig. The trade-off is that these are subscription services, so you will need to pay a monthly fee. You must also confirm that Roblox is currently available in their game library. Once subscribed and logged into your preferred gaming platform, find Roblox in the service's game catalog and launch it. The game will open inside a virtual desktop window within your browser. You then log into your Roblox account inside that streamed window. Because the actual game client lives on the cloud, your local device installs nothing. The second legitimate method is the Android app workaround. This is perfect for devices like Chromebooks or tablets that support the Google Play Store. The standard Windows or Mac client is what requires the download, but the Android app is a self-contained installation available through the Play Store. Here's how. Open the Google Play Store on your supported device and search for Roblox. Install the application directly from the Play Store. This bypasses the typical Roblox website installer. Context: just be aware that this is the touch-optimized mobile version, so controls and graphics settings might be different from the full PC client. And the quick final warning: if you're on a standard desktop, clicking the play button on the Roblox website will always prompt the local installation download. Do not fall for any browser extensions that promise a free, no download experience. These are typically scams. For more about cloud gaming, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to play Roblox online without downloading, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more gaming video tutorials. Thanks for watching.